Hi guys, today we are going to solve the day 16 challenges of 2 days of code. The name of the challenge is exceptions, string to integer. Okay, let's get started. So let's understand the statement. Read the string as, okay, print its integer value. Okay, if s cannot be converted to an integer, print by string. Okay, we must use the string to integer and exception handling constructs built into your submission language. Okay, if you attempt to use loops condition statements, you will get a 0 score. Okay, so just let's clear the editor and let's code all stuff by ourselves. Okay, input, we have an input, then we are going to try except block. Okay, and is the number, and convert s to the integer and assign the n with that conversion. Okay, print, and if there is error, if it's unconvertible, then accept as system bad string. Okay, run this class. Okay, sample test cases are passed. Submit this code. Okay, great. We have solved this problem. If you want to challenge yourself, please try a random challenge. See you in the next video. Bye.